If you're experiencing an installation loop with The Sims 4, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock the installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. If your hardware is insufficient, it may cause installation issues. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation problems. Restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that might be interfering with the installation. Step 3. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that may be blocking the installation. After disabling, try to install the game again. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as Administrator. This can give the installer the necessary permissions to complete the installation without interruptions. Step 5. Repair game files. If the game is already installed, open your game launcher or Origin or EA app, find The Sims 4 in your library, and select the option to repair the game. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the loop. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing The Sims 4. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.